Hello everyone. In this series we are going to explore another great website about learning Web3 is learnweb3.io. Let's see what it's offer. It gives us a few tracks which give you step-by-step progress in Web3 development. They start with the freshman, sophomore, then junior, then senior. In the freshman, learn the absolute basic of Web3, then dig deep and build DApps, then get embedded in the ecosystem, and then learn Web3 security and hacking. And there are other tracks also. So we are going to cover these four tracks in this series. The first, at first, we are going to see the freshman, what it offers. So basically, if freshman is about learn the fundamentals of Web3, set up your crypto wallet, get into developer mode, and deploy your first smart contract token and NFT. So it's a basic course where you can learn about some Web3 terminologies, the blockchain terminologies. Then we will get used see the remix ID. Then you have also create your wallet and also will create NFT. So this course have a few theories section. So I have already completed those sections. So I will not go through them. You will, because these are just theory. So you can go by yourself. The one thing great about this website is in each tutorial they have given us the quiz with all the theories and all the concept. Here is the here it is, which each description they have also asked few questions, and at the end you will have to submit that quiz, so you will get the points accordingly. So I have completed these five sections, so I got 100 percentage. You can also go again if you let's say you have a score 80%, then you can go again to that section and uh, refill that quiz and then submit it and get 100%. So it's pretty easy and very good for starter to get through all the thing along with the quiz, so they remember that what they have done. So now let's start with the section setting up remix ID. It's also a bit of a theory section. We will learn about the integrated development environment and the remix. uh, let's open it. Before that, I want to show you about the setting up crypto wallet.